Hey everybody, welcome to another Origami Wednesday. Today we're going to make some crustacean-y crabs. Okay, I just think they're really cute. They're pretty easy to make too, so this is going to be a good one. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is fold our paper side to side. And then we're going to flip it and we're going to fold it corner to corner. Okay, so remember how we used to do this? So it would be a cup this way and then we flip it and we fold corner to corner. And then it just kind of naturally wants to go the direction we want it to go. Instead of when I watched the first tutorial on how to do these, they just folded everything the same direction and then he didn't want to be a crab. Okay. So we want our triangle. All right. That means we're going to have a green crab. Okay. So the first thing, I'm going to fold. So I have 1 and 2. Both of these guys are going to get folded. But to do this correctly, I'm going to take this one. And I'm going to fold... Oops, I'm going to fold it the wrong way. Sorry, okay. Because I need to do it this way. Okay. So I put the flat side toward me. And I'm going to make this, my goal here is to make this an equilateral triangle, or as close to it as I can get. So this part should be about equal. Okay. And then this guy. I'm going to fold, and I'm going to do, luckily, he's easy to match, just like that. So when I open it up, I have 2 little points right there. Okay, I'm going to flip it, and I'm going to fold about 1 centimeter, which is about 1/2 inch. Okay, now you'll see this way it's open, but we're going to keep him closed. So we've still got our little feetsies. I'm going to flip him around. This is the tricky bit because I want to fold this up, but I don't want to do it too much. So I'm going to put my finger about like that. And I'm going to do a really long crease, just like that. And then I'm going to move this finger over here and I'm going to do, hopefully, the same long crease. So I'm going to look, is that about the same distance between that fold and there? Yes, it's about the same there. Yep, give that a nice hard crease. And then I'm going to fold this part up. Okay. And we're so close now, I'm going to fold this guy over. So I'm going to make his claw pointy. Okay, and I'm going to fold this guy over and make his claw pointy on that side. And when I flip him over, he has a little stand that he can sit on. I'm going to get my magic marker out. And I'm going to give him 2 little eyeballs. He's a little bit lopsided, that's okay, because he is super cute. And that is how you make a little paper crab. He's too cute, and now he has all sorts of friends. All right, everybody, have a great week, and we will see you next week with another Origami Wednesday. Doopy-doo. All right, have a good one.